Hello, good afternoon. My name is Marcela Vallejo. I am a student of, of, of English 5. The next week, I tell you about my daily routine. I work from home selling cosmetics. I do makeup every day. Right now, I am organizing my products, preparing new promotion, um, promotion, promotion for my customers. My job is as exiting hacks and glide because allow beauty and skincare. However, selling only online is not as easy as working is physical store signs. I had to manage everything be myself every morning. I apply my makeup before starting work done. My makeup is an important has promotion my products because looking good helps my confidence and professional while while I am planning my makeup and also recording tutorials to share with my clients. Mm, talking talking to customers is I'm ready and selling products because I enjoy helping them feel that they knew. However, some customers are not as easy to con- convince as others, so I need patience. At the the end of the day, I clean my workspace and organize my inventory. Right now, I am checking my sales and planning my next social media post. Even though from the home is no stressful hacks community every day. It acts demanding hacks and other job. I love what I do and believe that dedication is as valued as talent in a shade successful. Thank you for listening. Bye.